what's going on, guys? Ant-Man Plays here, and welcome to another video where today we have a very special thing that's been like a huge hit for the past few years. It's in my hand, if you cannot already read it. It's a fidget cube. If you guys can see that, it's probably backwards for you guys, but yeah, let's get opening it. It says click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. But, okay. I don't really fidget when I enjoy a fidget cube. Why? We think so. Not everyone fidgets the same amount, but spending the last few years deeply interested in the process of fidgeting, you observe the fact that almost everyone fidgets to some extent in a variety of ways. And there's don't be agitated, also can fidget code and pleasure. And then it shows how the fidget cube is way better than a pen, a pencil, a worry stone, a key ring, and ice cubes. Let's get out the real fidget cube itself. First, I'm going to be looking at the buttons. Look at the buttons. 3 of them click, I heard. 2 of them are silent for sneaky fidgeting in class. I'm probably going to be like, 9 plus 10 is 19. Okay. So, yeah. Some people prefer the silent ones. I like the clicking noise, even though it's a little annoying. Really Next, we have the switch. Where is it? And that's like turning off a light switch, and it's like so fun. I like turning on and off light switches. And then we have this here. It's like clicks, and it like makes like a weird clicking noise. It rolls. It's a roll. It feels really good on my hand. Now we have a joystick. I'm playing some Minecraft here. And just so you guys know, I have a couple shout outs I have today. One shout out is Alexander Crowhammer's YouTube channel. Check that out. And Teddy Roberts for telling me a couple videos ago that my audio was broken and I had to fix it, so I added in some music. That was the Hershey's bar, by the way. And last shout out goes out to Dominic Mango, and yeah. You guys comment and you could be the next people I shout out. Now I have roll. Oh. No, breathe. Yeah, breathe. Wait. Can you guys see the indent? But it feels like oobleck was dried and you just rubbed your finger on it. It feels so smooth. Oh, that feels good. Last one we have is spin. Where's spin? Oh, here it is. It's like sort of like a cat and the mouse thing. There's a little dot. You have to like chase the dot around. Yeah, that's about the fidget cube. And I have a fidget spinner coming in, as well as a fidget case, which I will be showcasing when they come in. They're going to be coming in somewhere in May, but I might do a vlog in Disney. I'm not sure. I might do a vlog in Disney. I won't have any sound, definitely, because it's going to be really loud there. And if you guys wanted to know my favorite out of all of these, is this, buttons. The reason I like the buttons the best is because 3 of them are actually buttons. 2 of them are just, they're like duds. And the reason I like it is because if I do it in class, I could be like, oops. And no one will hear it, but it feels really good. Or I could do the joystick in class, or I can do the roll in class. I can do the ball in class. I can do the soothing in class. Okay. Yeah. So my case, I believe, guys, it holds my fidget cube and it also holds my fidget spinner. So I will be doing that. Expect a video from me. See you guys all later. Bye.